guys, welcome to Digit.in. So today we have with us the Plantronics Backbeat Pro 5100 True Wireless in-ear earphones. So first we're going to quickly slide this out, and there you can see the Plantronics logo, the PLT. You open this up like this and you can see the case as well as a few ear tips. So let's set this case aside first and look at what we have here. If it comes out, yeah. So here we have a few extra silicone tips. This is the small size and this is the large size. I'm assuming the earphones have the medium size attached to them. So if you pull this out, you see that there's the charging cable right here. It's a micro USB charging cable, unfortunately, instead of a type C, and it has a type A on the other end. Right here you have a bunch of documentation. We're going to take this out. Firstly, you have a quick start guide, so it has all the instructions as to how to use it. And then you have I'm guessing this is, well, it's a bunch of Chinese which we can't read. This is a regulatory compliance information piece of paper, and this is, I'm guessing, the warranty guide, and this is the safety and declaration of conformity guide. So yeah, it's a bunch of paperwork. So as you can see, it is a rectangular shape charging case with rounded corners all over, and at the back here you have the micro USB charging port. It's a very inconvenient location to have a charging port because if you connect it like this, you cannot really keep it standing. You have to have that real estate to keep it lying flat like this. This is actually the power button, and if you press and hold it for 2 seconds, the charging case actually turns on. So we're going to extract these and continue looking at the charging case itself. So here you can see that the cavity is not too deep, which indicates that the earphones are not too big, and they are actually pretty compact. And here you can see we have the golden tips as well as a few silver ridges to keep the earphones stable within the case. So inside here also you have a matte black finish, and you also have an LED indicator here to let you know if your earbuds are charging or not. And that's about it for the case. It isn't a magnetic case. It uses a spring-loaded feature to open and close. So it's not as satisfying as usual cases, but it is quite compact and pocketable. So we'll give Plantronics a plus here. So now let's look at the earphones themselves. These earphones have 5.8 mm drivers within them, and they have a frequency range from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz as well. They also have IPX4 dust and water resistance, so it can take slight splashes and the rain, but you can't really dunk it into water, or it can't really withstand heavy sprays. Another thing about these earphones is that you can use them in mono or dual mode, which means that you can simply use just one of the earphones instead of using both of them. Also, these have a 33 feet range, wireless connectivity range, and as we mentioned before, they also come with Bluetooth 5.0. Additionally, these also have the auto pause and autoplay feature using optical sensors within. So basically, when you put one in your ear and you take it out momentarily, it'll pause the music since it knows that it's not in your ear right now. And once you put it back in, it'll start playing the music as well. They also have the feature of auto answering calls. So suppose your earphones are just lying there and your phone starts ringing. All you need to do is insert both the earphones into your ears and it'll auto answer the call. If you want to mute the call, all you need to do is remove both the earphones from your ear, keep them to the side, and the call will be muted. So when it comes to the earphones themselves, they're pretty compact actually, and they have these golden points right here which connects to the charging case. You can see that the speaker grill is right here, and the earphones also come with 4 mics for noise cancelling technology. And here, right here on the surface, you have the PLT logo, and this also doubles as a physical button. This can be used to control your playbacks. These buttons here can be used to control music playback. So we're going to take you through the instructions right now. So basically what you need to do is, on the left earbud, if you tap, you'll increase the volume, but if you tap and hold, you'll actually decrease the volume, which is quite unconventional, but it still works. On the right earbud, if you click once, you'll pause or play the music or answer or decline a phone call. Also, if you tap twice, you will go to the next track, while tapping 3 times will take you through to the previous track. Pressing and holding the right earbud will activate voice assistant as well. So now we're going to show you how to connect the Plantronics Backbeat Pro 5100 true wireless earphones to your smartphone. So firstly, you need to extract the earbuds from the case and simply press and hold the physical buttons for a period of 4 seconds. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So right now it should be on and in pairing mode. So we're going to turn on the Bluetooth on our device and simply connect to the PLT BB Pro 5100. And there you go, it's connected. So we're going to go to the app, which is the Backbeat app. You can download it from the Apple or Android Play Store. And we're going to allow, give it a few permissions, and that's it. So right now you can see that we have a listening time of 10 minutes because our battery is very low, and we have a firmware update as well, which we can do. And there you can see the headset itself. You have My Tap, which is one of the great functions of this app. So basically it allows you to customize a few things called taps. So basically if you tap once, you can add a specific feature like headset status, timer, tell the time, stopwatch, Spotify playlist, Deezer playlist. So basically you can trigger these actions just by customizing these certain taps. There you go, these are the same functions as well. So I can add timer for the first one, and I can add Spotify playlist for the next one. And basically if you just double tap it once, it will start playing your Spotify playlist. The app also has a ton of other features like Find My Headset. So in case you have lost these, you can simply press this and locate it easily. It has user guide and videos if you want to know how to operate these well. App settings, so we're going to check that. You have user analytics, so basically you're helping Plantronics improve their products by capturing your usage analytics about our headset. And also there's app color, you can change that to light or dark, which is great. And yes, that's it for now. You also have the user guide. So there's a bunch of features here. If you don't know what to do, you can simply look for the feature and understand what to do. And here you have a few videos explaining you how exactly to use these earphones. So it's quite an intuitive app. It has a lot of features. Here also you can see that it tells you which device you're connected to, listen time, battery percentage. It's got a ton of features actually, but the only thing it's missing is a customizable EQ, which is something we did miss dearly, but that's okay. It has a lot of other customizations that you can enjoy if you activate this app. So there you have it, guys. These were the Plantronic Backbeat Pro 5100 true wireless earphones from the company. Thank you so much for watching this video.